Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a really easy vegetable quiche with shop bought pastry. I've chopped 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 1 courgette and 1 onion, and I'm going to put those into the frying pan. And I'm going to stir fry these vegetables just for about 5 minutes or so to soften them. I've unrolled the pastry and I've taken it off the backing paper. And now I'm just going to position it over this tin. This tin's about 8 inches. And with shop bought pastry it might not be quite wide enough for your tin, so you just have to stretch it a little bit. Shop bought pastry normally stretches really easily, so it shouldn't be too difficult to make it fit whichever size tin you're using. And then we need to just press it right around so that it fits right into the bottom of the tin. Now we need to just trim the excess off from the sides with a knife. Don't forget to prick some holes in the bottom because this stops it from rising when it's cooking. Now I'm going to put a circle of baking paper onto the top. And then use some baking beans to weight it down. If you haven't got baking beans, then you can use some rice instead. Now we're going to bake this in the oven on 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then once that's done, remove the paper and the beans and bake again in the oven for about 5 minutes. Now I've put the veg from earlier in a bowl and I'm going to add about 3 ounces of mature cheddar cheese and give that a good stir. Apologies if you can hear any background noise in this video. The men are drilling the road outside and I'm hoping it's not going to ruin the video for you. Okay, we'll set the veg to one side for a minute, and I've now added 3 eggs to a bowl along with about 200 millilitres of cream, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of dill and some salt and pepper, and then give that a really good whisk. Then we'll just put that to one side for a second while we start putting the veg into the pastry case. And we're going to spread the vegetable mixture around nice and evenly. Now we're going to pour over the egg and cream mixture. Then this needs to be baked in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes until the eggs are set. I chipped the pastry a bit as I was taking it out of the oven, but there's our delicious quiche. The recipe for this will be in the description box below the video. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.